Hello my friends, in this one I will show you how to install God of War Ragnarok on PC. So guys, as you can see, the game is now available on platforms like PS5, PS4 and Microsoft Windows, which we are going to be working with today. So as you can see, when you search for the game, the first link and the first store where you can purchase it shows up as Steam, and Steam is amazing. Been using it for years, the best, easily the best platform for games. So click on this link and guys, just go ahead and buy the game. Then after that, after you buy it, it's going to appear in your library. So there's going to be a tab on Steam, somewhere on the left here that says library. You go into the library, press the install button, choose the location where you want to install it. There I have some cats on the trees, never mind. So you just, you just install the game onto your SSD. I do not recommend using HDD, we are way past that. And after that, when it's downloaded, press on play, and that's it. I'm not sure if you will have to actually connect the PS account to this, because I assume that this is the Sony release. Yeah, PlayStation, so it's possible that they will prompt you to connect your PS4 account, sorry, the PlayStation account to this. So yeah, if you will need that, you better get that ready beforehand to not struggle when you already have the game installed. But in general, that's how it's done. Very easy. Go ahead and grab the game, enjoy it. Thank you for watching the video. Press thumbs up on the video, subscribe. See you soon.